Okay, so now I'm gonna explain the concept for task 3. So this is gonna be pre-lab discussion. Okay. So the task 3, we're gonna determine delta H and delta S. And then what the equation that we're gonna use is a Bankoff equation. That's page 111. Okay, and then the equation is the ln KQ that's equal to minus delta H over R times 1 over temperature plus ln, no, actually delta S over R. Okay, so we're gonna use this equation to determine the delta H, delta S. So you see the linear relationship, which is Y here, ln KQ, and M is minus delta H over R, and X is 1 over temperature, and delta S over R is the Y-intercept. Okay, so our goal is that we plot the data based on the ln KQ and versus 1 over temperature, and it's gonna give you the straight line. Okay, the slope positive or minus, it depends on the entropy, the delta H, either the exothermic or endothermic. Okay, so here's gonna 1 over temperature and ln KQ. Okay, and then how we're gonna do it is that we're gonna prepare the iron is a 2 times 10 to the minus 3, and thiocyanate is 1 times 10 to the minus 3. In the lab manual say you should use the concentration that gives you the absorbance 0.5, and then we can look at the data from task 2, and then most of you have the data that gives you the absorbance 0.5, which is the iron is 2 times 10 to the minus 3, and the thiocyanate is 1 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay, and then we want to measure the absorbance at the temperature is 15, and the room temperature you need to measure that, and 30 and 40. Instructor is gonna set up the water bath for you, so you don't have to prepare. Okay, so basically what you need to do is that you're gonna prepare the iron and the thiocyanate separately in the test tube, 5 ml again, this concentration, and then put it, after that you put it into the water bath until this solution reaches to the desired temperature. So you need to leave the thermometer inside the test tube. Okay, and then when the temperature reaches to that temperature, you're gonna mix both of them together and then put it back into the water bath again until the color is gonna be fully developed. So I would say you should leave it like 30 seconds to 1 minute after you mix together. And then you go to the absorption spectroscopy, measure the absorbance. Okay, and then for the different temperature, you do the same thing, but please go to the same computer to measure the absorbance.